this is just a quick video to show you how to submit an assignment. Normally you're going to be clicking on it directly from your schedule where it'll take you to the assignment itself, but I wanted to show you how to get to it if perchance you're doing it like a day or two late. So you're going to go to content. It's going to take a minute to load. And then you find the assignment over here. So for here, I'm going to say the All About Me intro graphic. So you click on it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to under submissions, click upload. And that's where you do want to make sure, even if you do it in Google Docs, that you download it as a Word document or as a PDF. Okay, so let me just find a regular document here. So here, I'll just use this one. You can either drag it in and drop it there, or you can, click it in and click open. And you will see that it is uploaded, it's there. And then the last thing you'll do is click submit. I'm not going to click it now because I don't want that going into my gradebook. So you'll just click submit, and then if you've enabled the notification, you'll get an email saying that it went through. So let me know if you have any questions.